She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again.
Upside down banana bread.
In with the cake batter, and bake.
I can't wait to try this.
I have to say, banana bread has always been one of my favorites, which is why making it upside down seems so intriguing to me.
This man is pure genius.
Bet you didn't know that avocado seed can actually help you reduce menstrual cramps. Hi faves, stop throwing out your avocado seeds. Here is what you can do with them instead. Boil them and make them into some tea, and your body will thank you for it. Avocado seeds are rich in potassium and they help take out toxins away from your body, hence they will reduce menstrual cramps. They are also very high in antioxidants and very good for your digestive health. Your body will thank you for it.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight.
Bakina savijača sa sirom napokon je dobila i slanu verziju. Ja sam ovaj put radila više tanjih rola, odnosno savijačica, tako da sam iskoristila svih 11 listova koje sam dobila u pakiranju. Ako imate manji broj listova u pakiranju, izbrojite ih i stavljajte više smjese po jednom listu, ali podjednako. I isto napravite ako želite samo više smjese po jednoj roli. Biće deblje i staće onda i u manju tepsiju. Lisnate pizza rolice su nešto što nikad ne dosadi. Na lisnato premažite kečap, stavite sir, šunku i ružmarin po želji, zarolajte, razrežite, premažite vodom, mlijekom ili jajetom i stavite sjemenke po želji. Tortilja pull aparts, nemam pojma kako da to prevedem na naš jezik. Uglavnom, odličan su način da tortilje pretvorite u male zalogajčiće, posebice za više ljudi, i igru razvlačenja sira.